new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs.
Dina miafo polokata Ŋdi Wɔna for government for Tony Magbo enia ga lezo kwaje manyako betu fia basade ga wo Ŋdi Wɔna for government for enia ke machumon popo akcho da kwa mitaka ba ni ga chapa ni baki ga ba tilio ke bo yo no dia banya for jin eni ya pa ka bla for adagba bato hagano betoke ni usado ni arko kple nya jojo fofo chumia pa ntoma akatmioma ni akponka nya choklo nya ropio le ekpe ponke kama ke na migazorangwa ni akpo mukal suhachi ashishon ojijim le nya pa ntoma fiakata ha ke mi dronya manopo gani na mato ke bato ha da no no gema ke egbe amomopom ne nyapo am to yade am ko to yade bo wa ko ne nyanchi la nsoson se nyako la masanya da na gama sukwa me nyano mare ga fiam nyalo ni kata nya aho tureji le nsoson to hema da na no tibia woto fia basere ga wa bring back to the ho le jimfuga hostel nebe akremia chia va ho le jimfuga hostel ala be miaro ti akparemo le wo bludo nyaome wa jodo nyaome pleto gremiaji na kugba para miade nayo na asa ine be adu afana be miado re ipanwo na to ya rota de jiba zwakata na senko na grebo imbati jiko fumai ni bagremo le batu na sewo kolema que donc il va Tony Magboy encore Tony Magboy le Facebook, TikTok, Instagram na ko Magboy ba de karenchine ma plomdomia de kana makebo bati hale YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok na nyakone Facebook remember to like, share and comment. Like, share and comment. Here ba share na nyakone bo bati here get the call mo baklemi by liking, sharing, and commenting. And that is how we do it all the time. I bring back to you that I start by doing multitude. Na mianko sanda Facebook, I listen to Facebook, and you bring back to YouTube. The multitude, I like you. Allo decoder, share decoder, examine le kana Togo station, Mokata Janaba. Nia Akbaramuna Yomi, Alawe, Nia Akbaramuna na Awe. Okay, Nia Azorango. Ma kalifuna mota nyazoranga bo nkanya nyapa motivational message egbaha donc we have 0242670773 in your number 0242670773 in your number da jababa alawe nikata nya awodaka awona nebe adoje klima onko ple afika na miayomcho onko ple afika na jeron klimele ehina mi onko ple afika na jeron klimele ehina mi pa daja bana we na give us your name and fika na mianko some choy. All right. Yeah, let me have a motivational message. Bo, a motivational message. Leader. Ni wana ya ba mi ato don se mi akio nya fo mi akio lete ala ba mi shami kali nyawo nya te mawo ble vie duto ble nselo da maroki da ala mai ni manye taroji mi kala mi motivational message nebe ya premium chiplaga out of natural motivational message of by Fanta gere miajalo na yomi 0242 6707773G na premium chincho support me for motivational message atiaba na mi wo quote of the day mi on koyobe adapano wo do follow ofiaselo alo wo make nenye banasi do manyenye nyahala never whole central member of parliament whole central member of parliament Richmond and Kofi Potosu yela muguna plaga Ŋdi Wɔna America da ahia ba miketa nyanya miketa miaso to forum mama alaba mia anolo domia no rebeko na one. All right, so we go to the motivational message of today. And back motivational message I record a book Yema TVOG quote of the day: discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now, by Craig Ballantyne. I'm out of Great Ballantyne. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. That is discipline. Craig Ballantyne, Fiammy Bagombe, the Kujizu, Yenny Chachia, Bowo, Jomwe can hear, bring can hear here. Now, that chin can hear, we can hear now. Na gugu kyoji asheru kyoji ba ni hiana mula ga pokoya arashini ke hiana fifia alonwi ke hiana lagbama alonwi ke hiana ga pokoya ma alonwi ke na miti ko yar ma alonwi ka jijo ni ka se salama fuyare akovino ke it's a discipline goma. And that's a good way to start that show. So discipline. Do kwiji dudu karenchi do yenye nyapa main watchword le baba kakam. Discipline. Na dunya hao nya lo dunya halo nya discipline in public spending. Discipline. Jiru na soneke o na ni kenhiawo. Juna Sonic Daga, me can hear me. Joe, Kple, Carlo, MPs law, people, as I do, before how, Bobo, Aquase, Zokojo, spinning, the Hajira Gangang, rather for a may share up with how high, Akafu to Cocola who. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. Craig Ballantyne. I may share for your own court. I may have Craig in my bonnet. That Craig Fenya in Chogaoto. Discipline of Pijidu. Strongly care one at a chance to me can hear now palm. Not Boyaro Nadashi and we review. Hena jijo alo sesalama wea rovena mila bamako alo nya atuta alo aminya miyo kanya na miwu. So that is how we start the show. All right, abaleke mione rano for gandra minute ya tom hodu chupiara wa ho godashi chom de lomana mi braga afi wona jija. Rate stitches it to yara wajumada for no bang. To yana do for my head, but my rocho bashagba, low bashago no tintia. Yeah, man over a cup. Mandapan and mouth for more eating and domadan rate stitches. The powerhouse, Vienna Junction. No, your notivia bomo guaramaku do to chip, man, Trovania Zora and go. Tony McBoye.
No silence ever English dictionary. My dictionary aka so afi e pass K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view and you know the view canola basic level, and you know Americanola SHS, and you know Americanola University, Alola language, Nanya make a maneuver by you, and they are strong but Praha, Muslims ever English dictionary, and you know her. I must make a never the Mujura Po, and they are strong but Baha, Muslims ever English dictionary, and you know Mama. Nella Dilla was so mad than a player. I place order le Amazon. Allo number can I follow screen Nigeria. Open the method can I also have a official la Nyako Muslims ever English dictionary. Aqua Coveno. Muslims ever English dictionary. And yon Tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506. Looking to ship products from Germany.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go.
Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't pay them, cái tụi bụi, ta nhớ chú mắt ra đi tôi, một vài những worms, bất lực kết lệ.
Oh.
Những mà phật phăng, những mà ta chân mắt chung, mà nó chỉ có vụ luôn.
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukwane gbogbo ya wa. Base hasbena di dile nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya fa no pasi bani ko wi wonta nya nukuro wa. Bola pasi ko ko nya ko ko tatara gbe.
Bo. Mà nó chỉ có vụ nó biết luôn.
Va vai batakalo sugo. Ita mi gada de secremon tonto. Bola pati ke wa wusielo wetofina.
Mayire vola togbo. Yemo no chika ko mokpong jeje
vola chika no ple na zama fiva na kama furaga nawo mashama nazi
nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika nya to motoro ha wo za vola chika fofo jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yira vola to ona wala masa
vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashion la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogo mandiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola vola vola
yi bona basenta afima mi apoto yola nyadaba bola e fifa law akulori le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now a chite padaka o futo makata mele to wonyi de wa e ti makolo no ba na ile fula heba center ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu kame wa futo wo fukame fukame tutu dokata vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodo come on
Kadun kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yono
nya pan bola mada pana mi ba mi la jibo ni matlim ma va khodo ma chicho pima ha trova ke gaba subia ko kanya nya jojo yo al kabini nya jojo yo ke kaka ande nya pa fun mo baja oji zuhachi asisho batang ene ke abal kemione dai na mi jagon cho holiday.com sta nya ile holiday.com akbo nkanya na jojo chucho yo ke le afmandia holiday.com nya jojo kaka pour ade ke National Media Commission jiru do for ke fona nya jojo kaka do je for do na ogbo da shi da nya jojo gba na ya be o ko dem ala gba na tonto ne da mia ajegom yo nya jojo gba na de ke mi le nya fontoma ke Bagri Dam spillage threat looms as white water swells. Bagri Dam spillage threat looms as white water swells. Nyataka kami agborombe Bagri Dam ikanya amento ko poi ko tore chinchi ko swells echimacho akadi fanyagomna ba echia yo dama echia pofrum echia kokomawu pototo alagbo odorechi fiaba ne makponyo echia tatutu agbo omoblo kagblam taro mahia choi kagbona wo bagri dam fuge choi kagbona do mahi wo bagri dam fuge. That's a big story about there. Big story. Yama either cool. No for Bagri Dama if you have a pavota, Burkina Faso, Tomachoga, Acho, Napa Juba, Yato Pankata, Avadam, Napa River Volta, White Volta, in a toy, Geo to Bagri Dam do. Da no fu a bullet, my so bofia pla la ka bra de revolta na ga china di bu ka ba ro mi agbore mi aponto yo ma ba ma to mo abale ko jo ade iba ila na do dan kwa fu ado do promo ne da Burkina Power Utility Sonabel has signaled an imminent controlled discharge of the Bagri Dam with spillway gates likely to be open on Friday, August 28, as reservoir levels surge perilously close to critical thresholds, prompting heightened anxiety in downstream communities along the White Volta Basin. A daily situation brief from the White Volta Basin Secretariat of the Water Resources Commission places the current water level of the Bagri Dam at 224.55 meters, representing a filling rate of 93.98% and just 0.45 meters shy of the normal maximum retention level. The Commission cautioned that should the impoundment reach 224.75 meters, Sonabel will initiate spillage and issue immediate notification to Ghanaian authorities and riparian nations. That Pirakwa Bagbury Dam, okay, Bagbury Dam, 20 million. All right, and Ogboglombe White Volta, Ikenya, Echikala Volt, Nyade, Nyapa, Jobauchi, Kakaka, Ide Burkina Faso, Tome, Ikeji Sonable, Abeleke Volta Authority, the Miana Shafia, O2, Dam, Ro, Aficho Latriki, Nam, Amro, Kala Burkina, Mtuama Fuma, Wanyanya. Nemakmonyo, a choy Kabona, Wuchi Huge, Choka Burkina Faso, Tome, Ta. Sorabo, Ikenya Burkina Faso of Viare, Nanan Nyam Nikata, be Doma, Choka Bonochima, that America let Togo, the riparian communities, America let Togo, America no Fuchia, Ataglum Luma, O Nananyamu Prosuba, Onyaleke war away. Na Madi Namio. What type of background. So that's very important, and we'll be discussing that. When is 8:30 going? Ato Forsen unveils Ghana's biggest power plant since independence. Ato Forsen unveils Ghana's biggest power plant since independence. Cassiel Ato Forsen, the Kenya Minister of Finance. The Nanagbro Choi Kawai, Georgina Amagede, and we'll be looking at that. And Peter Kwagomba, Ghana, Bagba, Shababajamba, Awo, electric cadi, Whopper Nyonto Mia, Ajababa, Shababa, Alva Ghana to call na Atem Awo Kadina Roki. So Ghana unveils biggest power plant. Castle to Forsen is one who brought that up. So Ghana is poised to shatter its energy generation ceiling with a state-owned 1,200 megawatt gas-fired power plant that will eclipse the historic Akosombo hydroelectric dam as the nation's largest electricity installation since independence. Finance Minister Dr. Cassiel Ato Forsen has announced, and the minister disclosed ambitious infrastructure at the Future of Energy Conference 2026 convened by the Africa Center for Energy Policy, asserting that dependable and cost-efficient electricity constitutes the indispensable bedrock for Ghana's industrial transformation. And he declared that the government is deliberately executing the project to anchor manufacturing growth, employment creation, and economic diversification. Takwirakwa Kasela to force Boglombe Mingo Igaga del Mapalatric Yama Jibidu Bagbajemba Lemajimoa Nia Ghana to call Abubo Agakbo Kadi Wopper Gan the Kadi of Ganica Hachu Venamia Latric Kadi Venam Prosuba ya ike le akoso mafia ke bedede na mi ona number ka gbogbo ve ko ka gbo na ma wera ke esia ba mi gbara do ga da poge alo mi gbona chichema ga poge. So that's another important breakthrough, and congratulations to government, and we wish that this thing is done speedily. Nyapo badodora kple jemba nyana ba makabanto. So that is what we have there. All right. There are other stories here. Bishops decry GS exclusion as senior high school indiscipline deepens. Okay. Bishops decry junior high school exclusion as senior high school indiscipline deepens. Bishop Catholico, Bishop alone, Nola Gana Catholico ha, Kokwe Catholico ha, Odo versus Blocho, Ghana Education Service, Connection, what of the Panaros good and now G, Baora Yora, Le Upakbon Glau, for Habo America, Nonatadena Dogma, Afi, or Nachachao, to Supuvio, where they did not know, Bless Supuvio for her Honchi, ore yo catholique to va amechacha lo mekpepe ke le dukplo haga ya ke kona su de nyao me catholique bishop o de nyamaglo bishops declare GS exclusion as high school discipline defense ke bishop o yi gbogbombe gara kata ko do yo we nye ameyo ke ra sukubio au jiruru manoni ya bono de jiruru suku ora ko catholique suku ke nye suku ke ga subo aka yo nye ya amarka manya yo pa makpe ndam jiru pa suku de bodo mo reata le makoma pom amabu agbo foli bakakare suku kata alabo cho mau bashi alo mau to ra odambe awo cho ro wa mi ka chero mwa yo la mama unveils billion cedi lifeline to rebuild Boku. Bahama unveils billion cedi lifeline to rebuild Boku. Ajoke vai kokura John Dramani Mahama da shagba na tere gbebe no choga 1 billion cedis. Ocho akorura Boku to mako gbere Boku to achi Boku wotudwa. Aleke hunya. Fwe ji na be mogbe Boku to ma fanya globe mele. Broja Jemfree Rashid Palpo in new shock shakeup. Broja Jemfree Rashid Palpo in new shock shakeup. I talk about Agbalacho, Minister for Presidency Communications, Bob Felix Ofosukwachi, Kaka Remiagbo, Alochona Mimiakaka, Alava Kirako, Mika Jochom, Minya, O Gao Roro, Alava. Ode America varurang be le toiko wona bo plus sube ababubo na ho do awo ro te pe baramacho kasiel Presidency Communications Minister Felix Ofosukwachi Gwabeka Felix Ofosukwachi yenye Minister for Presidency Communications. So we have a press statement from that minister, and we'll be reading that in the chiefy. Enye nyajuzoka kapo fwezo dashi be na jirudu yike na mi mokpokpo alo mokpokpo be yakaka nyajuzo jirudu yike jagbagba be ota se yike na mi ablore be sosomina swe alo blore mag blore we abloro du kobe banya joka kalona kakanya jojo ovo manomi bebe mi kakanya rona e oje mi akake no fuma he ta mi je kan magbo we ke anyaro gale balama fun Aska case naming persons of interest strengthens accountability. Aska case naming persons of interest strengthens accountability. Aska wanya ikanya bribery fanya zanko la aska wanya de gabdugoncho nya ya edogoncho kaka enya du koplo la John Dramani Mahama du blog banto fangoni fanya bomagaro na domagaro ke nyong de ka fo chocho nya mi go la kra ya ma ti re gbogbombe enyo be ono mi o kata galo bi na sabo ga fon ko yom le gota but Katie Hammond slams OSP over Donko public shaming in the same leg Nyamaka in another leg Katie Hammond a former minister for energy than a former minister of trade le Nanado Dankwa Kufuado for Gbogbombe OSP, Kenya Office of the Special Prosecutor, kisi ajabini kwa dofa kwa mpopo na ya jizo kakala atokwa abanya jizo kakala bo ababe meale yo lengi meale yo bube wongbele ele no that's wrong according to the lawyers of PTM. Those are interesting conversations we'll be having. And now the phone we're gonna bogara na Amos taona no toji ko na le tibia da ashigo moko ba ngba tibia nya 0242670773 and your number na tem ako adwaje bakle 0242670773 and your number because ame amola no number kana tacho ako adwaje play Boye ne wo message dum dama na nambo ko bele afike ne fum tue arona ngum tue na me tue ala nyanya makatu tue ni ekachan bakle da 0242670773 your number ke na tem aza. All right, me the press statement magbo ala mia agara all right, Wednesday, August 26, 2026. Presidency Communications. Wednesday, 26, 2026. President Mahama makes further ministerial changes. President Mahama makes further ministerial changes. President John Dramani Mahama has made the following changes to his government. Honorable Abdul Rashid Pelpo has been reassigned as Minister of State for Presidential Initiatives, while Honorable Emmanuel Kwajo Ajekum replaces him as Minister for Labor, Employment and Job Creation. The President has also reassigned Deputy Minister for Defense, Honorable Ernest Broja Jemfi, as a presidential advisor on national resilience and emergency preparedness. I'll take it again. The President has also reassigned Deputy Minister for Defense, Honorable Ernest Broja Jemfi, has also the President. The President has also reassigned Deputy Minister of Defense, Honorable Ernest Broja Jemfi, has also been reassigned as presidential advisor on national resilience and emergency preparedness. Oh, Ofosu Kwachi, how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Let I know mistake. The President has also reassigned Deputy Minister for Defense, Honorable Ernest Broja Jemfi, as a presidential advisor to national resilience and emergency preparedness. All right. So I think I tried to correct that, but there's a typo or there's an error in this, and this is not good. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good at all. Because Banavia greeting salutation malamon straightforward and macro typo, we will not take that from you. You are taking a lot of money for this job. Please. All right. So Felix Ofosu Kwachi Boglomba would Honorable Rashid Pelpo, you can do don't get a corner the wall of where the genono bo ble edo. Jinya ble edo wo dui apanya to come odira. Alaba ocheba that Jiruba do a kakmona to cockplo la for Adamwe you could demolish Puma. Special initiatives. Ministry for Special Initiative nya mi sigbang bagalo nya sigbang bang la ku fongo ni America yo men ba Alan Tremantin Alan Cash my popular name Alan Cash in the first minister for presidential initiatives or you know PSI if you are aware, this is the Minister of State for Special Initiatives. Minister of State for Special Initiatives. Dakar ku formula by PSI. Nanya Google PSF yako. Ajibana Alan Chamate. That was the Minister for Presidential Special Initiatives. If you ever do cockroll up Adam you go the them to the court to do minister you can don't bona nyamonchi. You know, starch no in those days. Nya manya ke special initiatives you can live here. Aka maimato starch. Starch. Me dog belly or starch lemon. government over factory so no not there me do where Ghana ye ma Liu Mahama Kenya vice president back blogger Fidagba nya do Ghana for cha Ghana for do man li kongwa jo na do na gam national right chief force abletaya tintin yake maima over fifia ela nye banke o ela nye fika o Fidagba bido avowu aleka o fifi abo do krava bo jora ifia ka Fidaka magano okudoma even in SEPs, even in GRA, even in banks MDs are wearing clothes. So that's the time me IG. So I think sugar annoying sugar. So that's that. So I'm assuming, but if there should be any presidential special initiative, then it should be 24-hour economy. So I don't know what is the special initiative. Malatoji, mamok mom ndi si to na ko gani plafa ba o do toro na garage ya man pion ya sasa ta ba. You can get presidential special initiatives. Big push agboja la fuma minya hoho. 24-hour economy kusitano la fuma minya hoho. 24-hour markets, minister for local government la fuma MMDAs minya. So what are these special initiatives? We are interested, please. If you don't have a job, go home. No, I better none of them. But anyway, so that's that. That's not a criticism. Broja Jemfi, Kenya act Deputy Minister for Defense, Honorable Ernest Broja Jemfi, Church of Ma, always presidential advisor, one down to corporate national resilience and emergency preparedness. Presidential advisor on national resilience and emergency preparedness. Global resilience avec moi sefo aleke du kona se pour le document to na afoku pata ojo abechi na jara mo le bottom that's resilience president. All right, so that's what we have. Miapa nkpona po ganya miaje to heru gama na mienya dongo be ajara limi do roga cho miapa la masenya ke na gama suko nyatonto gbona nyam lega na nyanyo ya gbona mita nyanu toji na po ganya na ti ya won ga fiako. All right, nya agakpo so Broja Jeffrey be dak bana du koklo la ba ocho do enai resilience in emergency preparedness enya Broja Jeffrey do minya ba mo le jubilas afma kasia to force cram na budget allocation now Elvis every ankranye odo motoraka obe interfaith mini na professor la sure send it to na reader fee na mawara da na fian cho du kong charo concerning the president, our lives, national security na reader fee the amor boys of France and tonton. So please, we don't want any sharing. If there is work to do it them right. NADMOLI, National Disaster Management Organization, the Nobel Presidential Advisor on resilience and national resilience and emergency preparation or preparedness. I'm wondering, NADMO, EPA, Lafuma Environmental Protection Agency, Lafuma Ministry for Environment and Science, Fuma Dr. Zaneto Ronis Nina, Fifia, Ministry for Environment and Science, National Development Planning Commission, Elafuma, National Development Planning Commission, Elafuma, Afi National Fire Service in Elafuma, National Fire Service, Kafla, Vonetuta, not Foku Jofia, Bujanifia, and Wogbele of Koromoja, the Pakata Furi, and market people, fire service told you, of Manoga, Oya Moraga, Babatu, Owe Moji Kroger. So there are so many emergency response units. Even in our MMDAs, l'Assemblée Omaha, we have Alojeo Lefmakata. So, at the national planning, town and country planning to honey. Na mi so for gba o plot edwa